Let's see what is tangent secant theorem. We have a circle with center O and a secant is a PA. From point P we are drawing a tangent PT. Then the tangent secant theorem says that the product of length PA into PB, this will always be equal to PT square. If you look at this diagram, now this blue line is your secant and the green line is your tangent. Then the product of this full length A into B, that will be equal to C square. This is tangent secant theorem. Let's see the proof of it. So given to us is PA is a secant and PT is the tangent. We have to prove that product of PA into PB is PT square. So construction is we'll join BT and we'll join AT. Let's see the proof. In triangle PBT and PTA. So PBT is this triangle and PTA is the full bigger triangle is there. So here this angle P is common in both the triangles. Also if we'll have a look, PT is a tangent and BT is a chord. So by alternate segment theorem, this angle between the tangent and the chord will be equal to the angle subtended by this chord BT on the remaining part of the circle. So this angle will be equals to this angle. So we can say that PTB and PAT are equal by alternate segment theorem. So these two triangles by angle-angle similarity, they are similar to each other. Two triangles are similar, so the ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So here if we'll take PB upon PT, that will be equals to PT upon PA. इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम, will get our required result, that is PA into PB is PT square, and hence proved. I hope tangent secant theorem and its proof is crystal clear to you. We'll see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.